الدوريات اللي عم يعملوها بالليل أو بالنهار. نحن شو بيعرفنا هالدوريات اللي عم يعملوها للشو؟
هلا هني دخلوا على لبنان على أساس هذا إنه في عندهم نقط محددة بدهم يكونوا موجودين فيها.
شوفوا الرايحين جايين يعني، بس شو عم يعملوا ما بقى.
بس القصص اللي أكثر من هيك ما بعرفها
يعني ما في شيء واضح. شفت علي كيف؟ ما في شيء واضح أبداً.
Since the end of the 2006 conflict, southern Lebanon has seen a substantial increase in Unifil's patrols of its area of operations between the Litani River and the Blue Line, monitoring the cessation of hostilities and supporting the Lebanese Armed Forces, as mandated by Security Council Resolution 1701, is Unifil's main objective in patrolling the south, and it does so by conducting over 330 daily patrols in vehicles, on foot, and from the air. Vehicle patrols are the most common means of ensuring safety and security for the people of South Lebanon. Working in conjunction with the Lebanese Armed Forces, the deterrent effect of daily patrols over the past 3.5 years has resulted in an unprecedented calm in southern Lebanon. While patrolling in towns and villages, Unifil makes a special effort to ensure minimal disruption of normal daily life for the residents. Out in the countryside, Unifil's specialized vehicles negotiate southern Lebanon's rugged terrain. But where vehicles fail to go, Unifil also conducts patrols on foot in close coordination with the Lebanese Armed Forces.
We are going for patrolling and checking for potential unexploded explosive devices, so we have a better control of the field on the ground by patrolling by foot.
Unifil and LAF routinely coordinate efforts to conduct foot and vehicle patrols, in addition to setting up temporary observation posts and co-located checkpoints throughout the south.
Yeah, we are going to check in that hole in the mountain, just for checking. We see we have to check. Just send my soldier to control. Now he's looking with a torch because it's very dark inside. Ascolta, fammi segno che è pulito. Okay. Okay.
Down here we have the Unifil standing patrol. Today we are doing a helicopter patrol. We do that on occasional basis. And we do that to see if there's any developments or changes along the blue line. It also gives us a good knowledge about the terrain from another perspective than we are used to from the ground.
The Blue Line is also monitored regularly by the Observer Group Lebanon team, which is part of the United Nations Truce Supervision Organization, the UN's oldest peacekeeping operation set up in 1948. The OGL team works with Unifil, observing and noting any changes or developments. Air patrols by Unifil and OGL are an invaluable aid to Unifil's ground patrols along the over 120-kilometer stretch of the Blue Line.
Why we carry out the foot patrol, basic reason is that there are areas which cannot be accessed through vehicles. So we got to be on our foot to dominate these areas.
Foot patrols along the Blue Line are conducted in any weather condition and often in difficult terrain, with the aim of preventing any violations of the Blue Line. But the Blue Line sees other forms of patrolling as well. The main battle tanks of the Quick Reaction Force are an essential part of Unifil's robust deterrence force, and this Quick Reaction Force needs to be alert. The tanks are periodically deployed mainly along the Blue Line, focusing on equipment readiness and familiarization with the terrain. Unifil is sensitive to people's concerns about the use of heavy military equipment in populated areas, and is taking measures to reduce its impact on the people.
الدوريات بالشوارع ما لها أي تأثير يعني عادي شيء طبيعي عندنا هنا.
بيمرقوا السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام.
Donc vous voyez ici, nous avons fait
Here we are loading 2 Charles Leclerc tanks. We do this operation to reduce the impact on the population of the south. This way, we can also safely transport the tanks to various locations without damaging roads or affecting the people. Finally, when patrolling with tanks, we make all efforts to do so on unpaved roads.
Unifil continues patrolling through the night, taking particular care to minimize disturbance to the local population, while maintaining a presence across the area of operation around the clock. This could be either dynamic, such as when using vehicles or patrolling on foot, or static, in the form of observation posts, such as this one. All lights are turned off so that the night vision equipment can function properly. Night vision only works well in total darkness. Any bright lights will distort the image and can be potentially harmful to the eyes. It is for this reason, and to respect the privacy of the local population, that night vision is used exclusively outside of towns and villages. Maintaining the cessation of hostilities in respect for the Blue Line requires constant vigilance, persistence, and the kind of experience that makes up Unifil's multinational peacekeeping force.
This is one of our routine patrols that we conduct every day. And the purpose is to dominate our area of responsibility and to show our presence in the area.
Supporting the Lebanese Armed Forces is an important element of Unifil's mandate. Patrolling the south is a coordinated effort, one where both Unifil and LAF depend on each other and can benefit from each other's knowledge and expertise.
Working, patrolling with LAF in coordination with LAF units, it's very, very important for us. They are the local soldiers, they know the countryside, the terrain better than everyone. So they're very useful. They're good colleagues, they're good patrollers. Civilians, local people can see us working together with the LAF. They can touch with their hands, they can see we work together for the peace and for the helping of civilian people of Lebanon, together with LAF.
In the local markets, you can see Unifil peacekeepers, patrolling on foot, greeting passers-by, in close interaction with the local population, which is crucial for Unifil to ensure the security of the people of the South. Working shoulder to shoulder with the Lebanese Armed Forces, more than 13,000 peacekeepers and over 330 daily patrols are huge contributing factors to the prevailing peace and security in southern Lebanon since the end of the 2006 conflict. Unifil has a mandate, a responsibility to monitor the cessation of hostilities and help the Lebanese army maintain security in southern Lebanon. And yes, a peacekeeping operation on such a scale has its normal stresses and strains on the local population. But Unifil has a job to do. Unifil must patrol to keep the peace and help maintain security.